Now we are going to discuss about the materials and things in the class 6. Okay. In this chapter we are going to discuss mainly about the things like materials and the things which they are made up of and which how many types they are made up of, and in the same way we are discussing about the properties of the materials like transparent, translucent and opaque. Okay, now we are going to discuss about these properties of the materials. Okay, there are two types of objects, mainly luminous and non-luminous objects. What is meant by luminous and what is meant by non-luminous objects? First we will discuss about the luminous objects. What is meant by luminous objects? The objects which give us light are called luminous objects. Okay, example for the luminous objects: sun, torch, candle, bulb, etc. Okay, again I am saying what is meant by luminous objects. Okay, the things which give us light or the object that which give us light are called luminous objects. Example for the luminous objects are sun, torch, candle and bulb. Okay, next non-luminous objects. What is meant by non-luminous objects? Okay, the objects which does not give us light are called non-luminous objects. Okay, the objects which does not give us light are called non-luminous objects. Example: pad, pen, chair, table, duster, chalk, etc. Okay, again I am saying what there are two types of objects. Okay, what are the luminous objects and non-luminous objects? Okay, what is meant by luminous object? The objects which give us light are called luminous objects. Example: sun, torch, candle, bulb. What is meant by non-luminous object? The objects which does not give us light are called non-luminous objects. Example: pad, pen, chair, table, duster and chalk. Okay. Again the non-luminous objects are divided into three types. Again the non-luminous objects are divided into three types. Non-luminous objects are divided into three types. First one, transparent. Second one, translucent. Third one, opaque. Third one, opaque. What is meant by transparent? Okay, the non-luminous objects which allow the light to pass through them, are called transparent. Okay, example for transparent: net, mesh, okay, saree like silk, saree, etc. are called transparent. Example for transparent. Next, translucent. What is meant by translucent? Which allow the light to pass through them partially. Pass through them partially. Okay. Example: tissue paper. Okay. Silk sarees, etc. They are called translucent. Next, opaque. The non-luminous object which does not allow light to pass through them are called opaque. Okay, again I am telling, opaque means the non-luminous object which does not allow the light to pass through them are called opaque. Example: pen, pad, chair, Rima, see. The topic is materials and things. Okay, what is meant by material? Material is nothing but it is a solid physical matter. It is solid physical matter. We know that what is meant by matter? Matter is made up of tiny particles. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Matter means anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Anything that occupies space and has matter is called, it has weight is called matter. If matter is made up, okay, the materials are made up of a matter. The materials are made up of a matter. If the materials like anything, if you take a duster or chalk piece, it's made up of one or two or more. Okay. Suppose if we take a chalk, the chalk is made up of a material. Which material we are using in this chalk? We are using the line. We are using the line. In the same way, if you take a duster, the duster is made up of a plastic. It is made up of a single material. It is made up of a single material. In the same way, chalk is also made up of a single material. Suppose if we take this blackboard, it is made up of two materials. Okay, one is stones, another one is cement. Okay, in the same way, now we are discussing about the materials and things. In this material and things, we are discussing about the properties of the materials. We are discussing about the properties of the materials. There are two types of objects. One is luminous. Object. Second one is non-luminous object. Okay, what is meant by luminous object? The object which give us light. Are called luminous objects. Okay. Next one, non-luminous objects. What is meant by non-luminous object? The object which does not give us light. Are called non-luminous objects. In this again, the non-luminous objects are divided into three types: transparent, translucent, and opaque. First one, transparent. The non-luminous objects which allow the light to pass through them is called transparent. Example, net. Okay, fish net. Okay. Next, mess. And the grills of our house, etc. will allow the light to pass through them. Next, translucent. What is meant by translucent means the non-luminous object which allow the light to pass through them partially, means not perfectly. Example, tissue paper or silk sarees, other examples. Next, opaque. What is meant by opaque? It is the non-luminous object which does not allow the light to pass through them is called opaque substances. Example, pen, chain, pad, etc. For example, take this duster. Is this duster opaque or transparent or translucent? It is opaque. Why it is opaque? If we touch a light or anything in this object, what will happen? The light will not pass through it. So automatically the shadow of this object, the light reflects on the shadow of this object will fall oppositely. On this, okay, on the ground. Okay, such one is called a opaque object. I am writing here definition. Luminous object. The object which give us light. Example, sun, okay, lamp, torch, and candle. This is called luminous objects. Next, non-luminous object. The objects which does not give us light. Pen, fan, chair, table. So, okay. See, luminous object. The objects which give us light are called luminous objects. Example: sun, lamp, torch, candle. Non-luminous objects. The objects which does not give us light. Example: pen, pad, chair, table. Okay. Some examples for transparent, translucent, opaque. Okay. Again I am saying what is meant by transparent. It is a non-luminous object which allow the light to pass through them is called transparent. Example: mess, grease, okay, net, fisher's net, etc. Next, translucent. What is meant by translucent? The non-luminous object which allow the light to pass through them partially. Okay, partially. Examples: tracing paper, okay, tracing paper, glass objects, okay. Next, oil sheet, etc. are example for translucent. Next, opaque. What is meant by opaque? The non-luminous object which does not allow the light to pass through them are called opaque. Example: pen, pad, chair, table, book, etc. These are the examples for opaque substances. Okay. Thank you.